The day began with friendly handshakes as Judiciary Committee Chairman Patrick Leahy greeted Judge Sonia Sotomayor's family and friends. The Democrat even stopped to kiss the hand of Sotomayor's 82-year-old mother. But Republicans were not quite so gracious, repeatedly pressing the judge on past comments that a wise Latino woman would make better decisions than a white man. Here, she told Republican Senator John Kyle she hoped to motivate young Latinos.
The intent of the speech, its structure, was to inspire them to believe, as I do, as I think everyone does, that life experiences enrich the legal system.
You could have easily said in here, now of course, blind lady justice doesn't permit us to base decisions in cases on our ethnicity or gender.
Then she responded to critics who accuse her of bias in her approach.
I do not believe that any ethnic, racial, or gender group has an advantage in sound judging.
On a discrimination case involving 20 white firefighters, the appellate court judge panel ruled in favor of the Connecticut city that denied them promotions, but the Supreme Court overturned Sotomayor's ruling. Republican Senator Orrin Hatch.
Even the 4 dissenters said that the firefighters deserved their day in court to find more facts. But all 9 justices disagreed with your handling of that particular case.
The Supreme Court, in looking and reviewing that case, applied a new standard.
One of America's most contentious issues, abortion, has repeatedly come before the High Court, ever since the 1973 decision known as Roe v. Wade, which legalized the practice.
In your opinion, is Roe settled law?
That is the precedent of the court and settled in terms of the holding of the court.
The hearing was briefly disrupted by an abortion protester.
Officer, remove that man immediately.
Protesters have interrupted the Sotomayor hearings both days. The nominee considers the senator's questions carefully, often taking notes and speaking deliberately. The committee continues its questioning another day, and the full Senate is expected to vote before their August recess. The president wants his nominee seated before the court begins its next term in October. Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.